Hey everyone, here's a question from exercise 10.1, fifth question. Chapter is Heron's formula of class 9th, and this question is very important question. The question is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. Now this question is very important because first we have to find the sides and then we have to find the area, because sides are given in the ratio. So whenever the ratio is given, we have to consider a common factor, because ratios are always written in the reduced form, simplified form. So there is a common factor. There will be a common factor. In case there is no common factor, it will be a 1. We can consider the common factor as 1. So this common factor will take it as x. And we can write the sides as a equals to 12x and b is equals to 17x and c is equals to 25x, where x could be any number. It's a common factor. I hope you understood what I'm saying. Okay, let me just give you example. What is this common factor? Suppose I have a ratio 4 is to 20. Now you can see that this ratio is not written in the reduced form, right? Reduced means we have to simplify this. 4 and 20 both are divisible by 4. So I can cancel it by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. So here 4 became a common factor. So this ratio we can write it as 1 is to 5. So this ratio I have reduced and written as 1 is to 5. So this is simplified form, but the actual ratio is this, where 4 was a common factor which I cancelled with. Same way, this ratio is written in a simplified form. Always ratios are written in a reduced form. So there will be always a common factor. So that we have taken as x. If there is no common factor, we can take it as 1. So suppose there is no number there, which is this is an actual ratio, then we can consider x as a 1. So that will not change the value. So that is the reason why we are taking as x. Now we know all the three sides. Using this, we have to find the area, but we have to find the x value because we have just written the sides in terms of x. But how to find the x? So we'll use perimeter. We know that perimeter is sum of all the three sides. So we'll use that concept. So perimeter is a plus b plus c. Perimeter we know it's 540. Now substitute the values. A is 12x, b is 17x and c is 25x. So let's add. So 540 is equals to, when you add all the three numbers, you get 54. We get 54x. Now we have to find the x value. So transpose 54 to the other side. You can transpose. It goes to division because multiplication inverse operation is division. It goes to denominator. That is one way. Or you can divide both the sides by 54. So that way we can eliminate 54 from the right side. So we get, I'm just transposing it, 540 divided by 54 is equals to x. So cancel it. 54 ones are, 54 tens are. So therefore x value we got it as 10. Now we'll use this and find all the three sides. So a will be 12 times 10, which is 120, and the units will be centimeters. X value will be in centimeters because 540, the perimeter is in centimeters. Then b will be 17 times 10, which is 170 centimeters, and the c will be 25 times 10, which is 250 centimeters. So we know all the three sides. Now using this we can find the area. We have to use Heron's formula. So the numbers are really big. You get very big number. So I have to erase this because the calculation is really big. So I'll write the sides here. A is 120 centimeters. B is 170 centimeters. And C is 250 centimeters. We also have to find the semi-perimeter. We use semi-perimeter in Heron's formula. What is semi-perimeter? It is half of the perimeter. We know perimeter is 540, so half of it. So S, which is semi-perimeter, is perimeter divided by 2 because it's half of it. So 540 divided by 2. When you divide it, you get 270. So semi-perimeter is 270 centimeters. So S value I'm writing here, it is 270 centimeters. Now we all know all the things we require to find the area. Now let me erase this part. Now we'll use Heron's formula, substitute the value and get the answer. So Heron's formula, that is area, is square root of S times S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where A, B, C are three sides. So substitute the values. So square root of semi-perimeter, that is S, is 270 and the brackets S minus A, so 270 minus 120. Then we have S minus B, so 270 minus 170. Then S minus C, so 270 minus C value is 250. Now solve the brackets. So this is equals to, get square root, first is 270. When you subtract 270 and 120, we get 150. So we can write times 150. And the next 270 minus 170 is 100 times 270 minus 250 is 20. And this is area, so you can write the units here or you can write the units at the end. You can write here centimeters squared in each step, or you can put the units at the end. Now we have to solve this. So best way to do is, we have to start pairing up. So we have to expand, pair up. We want square because square and square root will cancel each other. It's like they cancel out. They are inverse operation. So how to write this? So let's expand. So this is equals to, now if you multiply it will be really good big numbers, we don't want that. So let me expand 240, 150, all these are divisible by 30 or 10. So we can write this as 27 times 10 and 150 as 15 times 10, and I can write 100 as 10 times 10, and I can write 20 as 2 times 10. So I'm trying to write this in terms of 10. So how many tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is, now 27, again I want to expand. I can write 27 as 3 times 3, 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is the prime factors of 27. I can express this as 3 times 3 times 3. And how can we write 15? 15 we can write as 3 times 5. I am not expanding 10 here. And then we have this 2 and we have 10 5 times. So we get 10 to the power 5. Now start pairing up. So we have 3. This is one pair. This is another pair, and for 5 and 2 we don't have any pair, but yes, we can multiply 5 and 2, we get 10. So this is equals to, we can rewrite this as 3 square times 3 square times 10. Now why I am multiplying this 2? Because we already have 10 to the power 5. So 10 and 10 to the power 5, when you multiply, this is, the power is 1 here, bases are same, so powers will get add up. So this is equals to, so this is 3 square times 3 square times 10 to the power 1 plus 5 is 6. Now let's expand this. Let's rewrite this as, you can write this as 3 square times 3 square. I'm splitting this, and here we have 10 to the power 6, but I want to write this as a power of 2. I want square because square and square root cancel out. So 6 I can write as 10 to the power 3. So I'm using power on power this way. So here square and square root will get cancelled. I'm left with 3 times, here this will get cancelled, and here the square and square root will get cancelled. I get 10 cubed. Now solve this. 3 3s are 9, times 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means 1000. So this is 9 times 1000, which is 9000. So area is 9000. Now you can write the units centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle with the sides 120, 170 and 250 centimeters. This is very important question because they have given the sides in the ratio. So first step is to find the sides, and then you have to find the area. You have to apply the same method, whatever the ratio they have given, use the same method to find the area. I hope this question is clear. If you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.